Disclaimer: this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. To have your product reviewed, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct.
Hey guys, this is your friend Iggy back again with Dragon Blogger. I'm going to do a quick typing test on the Alienware Pro gaming mechanical keyboard, the AW768. Now, this does not come with it, the palm rest. It comes like this. I do like the palm rest though, and to mention, it is magnetic. The palm rest is the Alienware Gaming Palm Rest AW168. Now, before I get started typing, I want to mention you might have to readapt yourself to typing because all the keys are shifted to the right. They're shifted to the right because of these additional macro keys. You might think you're hitting Control, but then in fact you're hitting 5. Or you might think you're hitting Escape, but in fact you're hitting this guy right up here. Now, all that being said, let's go ahead and start the typing test. First, I'll go ahead and adjust my hands to ASDF JKLSM, and here we go. Alright, so 67 words per minute, definitely not my fastest. And you may notice I move my hands around a lot more than I should. I should really use more of my fingers, but my typing, you can see 67 words per minute. If you're a better typer and you use more of the ASDF JKLSM than I do, you'll probably type a lot quicker. Again, this has the cherry brown mechanical switches, so it's actually very quiet, and the key pressing down on the keys just feels good. I'm used to the loud clickies of a keyboard, the louder switches, but this actually feels very nice. But anyway, again, this is Iggy with Dragon Blogger showing you typing on the Alienware Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard AW768 with the Alienware Gaming Palm Rest AW168. You might type a lot quicker, you might type a lot slower, and you might need to get used to these guys, but all in all, so far, at least for typing, it's been a great keyboard. It's actually a good keyboard also for gaming, a very good keyboard for gaming. But anyway, I'll let you guys go. Iggy with Dragon Blogger out. See you guys.
Disclaimer: this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. For more information, visit bit.ly/dbdisclose. To have your product or brand showcased on Dragon Blogger, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct. Thank you for watching.